Let me know what you think of the Goatee. Should I leave it on or should I cut it off? Do I look tired and old like a old Kenny Rogers? All right, guys, fresh out of the shower. Today, my plan is to knock off most of this stubble and go with a goatee. And I typically don't wear facial hair. You know, I maybe have a shadow and then a couple days later I'll shave it off. And as many of you know who watch this channel, I love OneBlade for attacking stubble, just getting rid of it. Fuss-free, snag-free, worry-free, cut-free, nick-free, love it. Really, my mix is to do OneBlade for the first pass, and then I will pick a traditional razor to really get that baby smooth, baby fine beautifulness. And I've been having a lot of great success lately with Harry's. I love Harry's. Now that you can get them at Target and Walmart, just recently has the Walmart blue handle and other varieties. This is a great 5-bladed razor. Minimal, but it's got nice spring to it, nice 5 blades that stand up, lubricated strip. I'm really enjoying this. Very nice, slip-free, solid handle, rubberized. I like that. So today I'm going to show you, I'm going to try to put, try to artfully make, maybe I'll cut out right here and I'll make a nice little goatee that I'll wear maybe for a few days. And I'll show you with this OneBlade, but I'm also going to pull out the OneBlade Pro and show you the advantages of that. Now the beauty about OneBlade, I took my shower, I'm out, opened the pores, but I don't really need anything else. I don't need any foam or lotions for this first pass. So, and it allows, I think the dryness allows you to really get more of a precise cut. So again, I'm going to try to cut down here, make a little notch, and extend this hair out because I think it looks kind of fresh. So here we go. Trimming it up to where I want to. And again, I want to try to make the notch there. But you see how easy that OneBlade just gets in there. Now I have a guide, right? I have the guide and I want to leave that trim. So let's tackle this spot over here. Now with OneBlade, you're supposed to cut against the grain, right? So hair on your face would typically grow downward, so that's why I'm heading up. All right, so you have that little notch. I don't know if I want it that long. I'll just maybe clip it off right there. Quick, easy, first pass. And I'm doing this without my glasses, so give me, I think I'm doing pretty good. Again, we'll start over here. I'll outline where I want that cut to go. Okay. Now I'll switch over to OneBlade Pro and I'll show you a little bit of the difference. Now here's the OneBlade Pro. One key feature is right here. It tells you the charge. So it's got 65% left on the battery, which this doesn't. I like the feel of this better. It's rubberized. This has a more plastic, looks sort of metallic, but it's a plastic feel. Feels a little bit lighter. But this cartridge here pops off and fits neatly right in here. All right. Now let's see how it compares. Now this is on the left side. And again, I gotta be real careful because I want that notch. Okay. Okay, this is a little bulkier right in here. So I think the difference makes this feel and seem easier to get into doing that trimming. So that may be a downside to this, but I'm sure if you have a OneBlade Pro and you get used to it, you love it. I'm gonna pop this back off just to make a couple of tight passes. You can really get in there and trim it up. But all the while, guys, nick-free, worry-free, cut-free. All right, so now that I think this looks halfway decent, I'm gonna pull out the OneBlade Pro and show you something, which is a benefit to the OneBlade Pro over the original. So this little trim guide has, I think, 11 settings. I don't know if you can see that. All right, so this has 11 different settings. You can pick a setting that works for you for trim length and keep it there. And you don't have to switch between different combs. So this slots right on top. And what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna just trim up here with this. Just clean it up a bit. Just clean it up a bit. getting old, I'm gonna start to look like Paulie from The Sopranos. I don't know if I'm loving the notch because I can't really get it. This one came out a lot thinner and nicer than this one, so I'm just gonna get rid of that notch. Let me get rid of the notch today. But you could see with a little bit of work, a little bit of practice, you could really, you know, you could trim it up real nice. The mustache itself is a little floppy. Oh, that's nice. I think I'm happy with that for today. Now, when you get to the fine tuning, I go to a traditional blade, and I said Harry's has been really good for me. And I love this Gillette foam mousse. $1.99 at Target. Gives you a nice good lather. Combine the two, guys, you got a nice baby smooth, easy, worry-free, nick-free shave today. Again, I just got out of the shower recently, so I'm not too worried about steaming up. Still in the steamy shower, steamy bathroom. This is not a new blade. I've used this maybe 15, 20 times already. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go, well, we'll shave with the grain. How about that? Look at that, guys. You hear that blade? Nice. Nice and smooth, good amount of spring on this blade. Look at that. Not much to take out, because your OneBlade, did its job, yo. Nice. Again, I had already done this a couple of days ago, so less work on the neck. That Harry's blade. It's a nice blade, guys. Check them out. They're $9.99 at Target, and I think about the same at Walmart. They come in a variety of handle colors, and 5-bladed cartridges. I forget what the cartridges cost, but it's a value. It's a quality and value investment. Quality and value investment. Do a little cross cut while I'm here. Just to get to those couple of confused hairs. And I'll do one more pass on my neck, and then we'll be done and get out of here, get to work. And that just helps you eliminate those hairs. From a different angle. And a trick over here for the Adam's apple. Swallow hard and go over that area, or you can slide to the side. There you go. Nice new goatee in less than 20 minutes using the OneBlade Pro, and my Harry's combination. OneBlade and Harry's, to me, it's a winning combination, guys. Let me know what you think of the goatee. Should I leave it on or should I cut it off? Do I look tired and old like a old Kenny Rogers? As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. I will see you soon with another product review, a car review, something. But in the meantime, remember, keep pushing play. And I'll see you next time. Vote for Kenny Rogers. Kenny Rogers, yes or no? Should I keep it or should I cut it?